How to download Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop on Windows, how to get it on your PC. So I'm right here on the page. So first things first, I have an offer in the video description just below this video. You can click on my link and you can get a free trial of Photoshop. So once you've clicked that link, you will turn up on a page like this or a very similar page depending on how they change the pages over time. So we've got this little blurb here, so you can see how the 7-day free trial works, and you can see that they also have a 14-day money-back guarantee, a whole load of blurb here, and there's some frequently asked questions at the bottom there. So in order to actually start downloading, you will literally just click on Start Free Trial. That will open up this dialog box right here once it loads. Sometimes the Adobe servers can be a little bit slow. There you go, so Photoshop is highlighted by default. Now, individual plan is highlighted. And then you can also select, if you're a student or teacher, there's a discount there, I believe, and they also have a business option as well. So like I say, Photoshop is selected. You can actually select the whole Creative Cloud Pro suite of apps. There's 20 plus apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Acrobat Pro, and I believe actually Premiere Pro is in there, the video editing tool, if I'm not mistaken. That's obviously more costly, but you have just Photoshop by default, and you can see the prices here. And of course, these prices change all the time, so it might not be the exact price that you see at the time that I'm actually making this video. So all you do from here to actually download, you click continue, you just set up your billing, and that will start to download, and you can start to use Photoshop. Now, about the 7-day free trial, you do enter your billing here, as you can see on the next page. But the 7-day free trial will start. First of all, you're not charged anything until the 7-day free trial has finished, and then you'll be charged the monthly amount, as you can see on the screen here. So you can cancel before that 7-day free trial, but if you want to obviously consider continue using Photoshop, you just stick around and you'll be billed from there. But like I say, you can cancel at any time. So hopefully you found this video on how to get Photoshop on Windows, how to get Photoshop on the PC useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.